Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's describe a new picture. Title is Girls Grooming Horses. This picture shows two girls grooming their horses. They are standing outside in a fenced area. The sky is blue with some white clouds. The field behind them is green and full of grass. One girl has blonde hair tied in a ponytail. She is wearing a purple top with a white flower on it. She also has blue jeans and black boots. She is holding a blue brush in her hand. She is brushing the mane of a brown horse. The brown horse looks calm and happy. It has a golden mane and tail. The horse's legs are partly white. The other girl has brown hair in two braids. She is wearing a pink and white striped sweater. There is a black cat design on her sweater. She is also wearing blue jeans and black boots. She is brushing a white horse with brown patches. The white horse has a long dark mane and tail. Both girls look happy and smiling. There is a pink box on the ground between them. The box is open and full of grooming tools. We can see brushes, a sponge, and a comb inside. The area looks clean and well kept. There is a white fence behind the horses. A tree with red apples is visible in the background. The weather looks bright and pleasant. The girls seem to be enjoying their time with the horses. It looks like they love taking care of their animals. The picture shows friendship and teamwork. It is a happy and colorful farm scene. Questions and answers practiced related to the picture. First question is, what are the girls doing in the picture? Answer. The girls are grooming their horses. Question 2. What color is the horse that the blonde girl is brushing? Answer. The blonde girl is brushing a brown horse. Question 3. What is inside the pink box on the ground? The pink box contains brushes, a sponge, and other grooming tools. Question 4. What kind of clothes are the girls wearing? Answer is, they are wearing colorful tops jeans, and black boots. The last fifth question is, how do the girls look while grooming the horses? Answer is, the girls look happy and smiling while grooming their horses. For more picture description, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.